So today I'm finna be showing y'all how to clean Suede and Nubuck Jordans, the Laney 14s. You're gonna take a dry brush. You're gonna brush all this extra dirt off. So that way when you clean it, it doesn't stick onto the shoe and you're not cleaning dirt into the shoe. So you're gonna brush this off before you clean it. Also, I'm gonna be using my Clean and Protect kit today. You're gonna start by dipping your brush in the water. 2 to 3 drops of the cleaner on your brush. We're gonna start from the bottom in a circular motion. Once you see the foam, you're in your zone. You're gonna start cleaning the whole shoe. Doesn't mess up the suede, it doesn't scar the suede or scratch it up. Make sure you get the whole shoe. You're even gonna clean the laces and the tongue as well. After you get it completely dry, you're gonna take my water and stain repellent to protect it from water and stains. Don't spray it close, let it mist onto the shoe. And here we have it. All right, you guys, Sammy here with the Clean and Protect, showing you how it worked for Suede and Nubuck. Come catch us at Wolf Chase, Colorado Mills, and Philadelphia Mills.